Good morning guys, my name is Russell and in this video I'm gonna tell you what gringo means in Peru because there is a confusion, using this word. I am Peruvian and I can tell you just the truth. Well, first of all, the word gringo is not an insult or a bad word, rude word, because many foreign people think this word is some negative thing, but it is not. I saw one time an Australian person who insults a Peruvian guy because he calls gringo to him. Gringo means people who has white skin, that's all. The nationality does not really care at all. You can be American, German, African, Peruvian, etc, etc. If your skin is white, you're a gringo. As far as gender, the word gringo is for men, male people, and gringa is for women, female people. Here in these pictures, you can see all of these people who are Peruvian, but they are gringos because their skin is white. They are people from Peruvian TV and they are white. If someone is from the United States of America, the US, but his skin is not white, he's American, but he is not gringo. I got a neighbor who other people calls him gringo because he is white. All of us know very well he is Peruvian, but it doesn't care at all. Well, in conclusion, we call gringo to the people who have white skin. We call them gringo or gringa. And that's all for now, and I'll make more videos about different topics. And if you like this video, you can click on a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel, Russell Vale. And have a great day. See you next time. Bye.